Right, let's get to that party. Hold on to your helmet. We're taking the cosmic route. We're on a space mission to reach that party soon. There's a fancy dress party on the bright side of the moon. We're on a space mission past Jupiter and Mars. To get to that party, we'll rocket beyond the stars. Falling in outer space. What an amazing place. And I'm so glad you're with me. Come on, I'll help you. Follow me, Bazza. The road is long, the test is tough, but Bazza, don't you worry. You are my best friends, and I'd do anything for you. Follow you anywhere you want me to go, and do exactly what you want me to do.